Writer Tosh, born Winston Hubert McIntosh in 1944, was a Jamaican reggae musician, known for his powerful voice, uncompromising lyrics, and advocacy for social and political change. Rising to fame as a member of the Wailers alongside Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer, Tosh played a crucial role in shaping reggae music. Tosh's career was marked by both highs and lows. His time with the Wailers saw immense success, with iconic albums like Catch a Fire and Burnin'. However, tensions within the group and disputes over creative control led Tosh to pursue a solo career. As a solo artist, Tosh released albums like Legalize It and Equal Rights, which showcased his outspoken views on topics like legalization of marijuana and racial equality. Despite critical acclaim, commercial success eluded him, and he faced challenges navigating the music industry. Tosh's activism often put him at odds with authorities, leading to arrests and incidents of violence. He was a vocal advocate for the legalization of cannabis and an outspoken critic of oppression and injustice, particularly in his native Jamaica. Tragically, Tosh's life was cut short when he was murdered in 1987, leaving behind a legacy as one of reggae's most influential and uncompromising figures. His music continues to inspire generations, and his message of freedom and justice resonates around the world.